Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening up these two, one from White Flare, one from Black Bolt. Both the text sticker collections come with 3 packs each and come with a set of stickers. So just an aside, I realized when I posted my video last week, I did not know the comments were turned off. So if you're trying to comment on it when I posted it, I do apologize. I went back and checked and I turned the comments back on, I think a day or so after I had posted the video. Don't remember when I did it, but yeah, I do apologize if you were trying to comment on that video and you weren't able to because the comments were turned off. Sometimes it happens. I'll try to make sure I check later today and then check throughout this week to make sure that you're able to you're able to post on here. I am so sorry, guys. That is my fault. Yeah, I don't know why it happens sometimes when I post videos, the comments turn off for some reason. So I will make sure I periodically check to make sure they actually do turn on. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I have some news for you guys, which I will talk about at the end of this video. Let's just get everything out. It's gonna be a little messy until I organize it. Do also want to apologize. I didn't post yesterday. You know, typically I post on Wednesdays, but I was just super exhausted. I've just been really tired this week. Also suffering from, I think, a ear infection. I'm just all sorts of messed up. Yeah, so probably gonna go to urgent care or something with either tomorrow or we'll see how I feel. I just haven't really slept well the past couple days, unfortunately. So I'm a little bit tired. I don't know, you might not be able to hear it or not, but my voice sounds a little bit tired too. Okay, so I'm just over here trying to organize everything. But yeah, not feeling too good. So I'll have to see if I can go to urgent care probably tomorrow because it is a little late in the afternoon where I live. It's not many places around here, so I do have to travel out a bit. So just here's some stickers. Probably gonna end up making those little pin badges. Yep. Let's see. So we have the Gothitelle. This is the promo card. For forgot which one I opened this from. Shoot, I honestly don't know which one. Oh, the White Flare, and then the Reniculus is from Black Bolt. So I'm gonna sleeve these up. I really gotta put the sleeves on my desk. I keep forgetting to do that. So we have the code cards, Black Bolt text sticker code card, And then the white flare. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take these two, set them aside for a giveaway. So we're opening pretty much just 4 packs because I'm gonna spend a couple minutes at the end of this video. Just have a little bit information for you guys. Code card. Let's see. Dark Energy. Patrat. Cottony. Tepig. Gothita. Brave Bengal. Garbador. Semisir. Samarat. Swana. Full art. Nice. And a Zoroark. Lost white flare pack. Code card. Fire Energy. Trubbish. Oshawott. Yamask. Boldor. Stunfisk. Liepard. Excelgor. Excelgor. Almost couldn't say that. Oh, Trubbish. This is a. Let me see if you can. There we go. See it a little better under the other light. Pokeball. Hollow Trubbish. Durant. And a Whimsicott EX. Actually, you know what? Let me go through this and make sure. It's gonna probably get some. Need to get used to some of these cards. Be watchful of these cards because they do have the Pokeball hollows and seems like the Master Ball hollows as well. Black Bolt. Code card. Dark Energy. Whirlipede. Gardevoir. Fungus. Larvesta. Throw? I think that's how you say it. Fennel. Amoonguss. Maractus. Fracture. And a Klinklang. And our last pack for the 2 next sticker collections. Card. Psychic Energy. Survive. Rufflet. Darumaka. Solosis. Throw. Amoonguss. Seismitoad. Oh, this is another Pokeball Hollow. Just a regular Pokeball Hollow Cincino. Ooh, a Whirlipede. Full art. Looks kind of cool. Artwork looks pretty cool on this. I kind of like it. Oh, wow. And Excadrill, can't talk, Excadrill EX. So we got like 3 hits in a row. Wow, pretty cool. So that's it for the packs. I'm gonna pull these back up. So just a little new giveaway. Gonna go on. Gonna do 1 white flare, 1 black bolt, and when I open this, it's gonna be a pack from here, so 1 Distant Rivals pack as well. So 3 packs in this new giveaway that I'm gonna be doing. What else? I know the Distant Rivals has been like what, a month since I talked about me going to do a new giveaway. Yeah, it's been a lot going on, so I had to keep pushing it, and I do finally have that Discord up and running. I am still working on it, but I am gonna open it up to you guys. I will be posting the link down below. Please let me know if the link does not work, and I will try to figure something out. But the purpose of the Discord is to do the giveaways, so I'm gonna be doing the giveaways on there. I will be announcing it here on my YouTube channel, and then you just have to do a couple extra steps and enter via the Discord. You are under no obligation to socialize in the Discord. It's more for giveaway purposes. I mean, I put some little spots in there if you do want to socialize or post things. You are free to do so, but you are under no obligation to socialize. If you just want to do it for the giveaways, that's okay too. That's just how I'm going to be doing giveaways from this point forward, because of what happened last time. It's to make sure whoever wins the giveaway actually gets the giveaway thing. So it's also easier for me to communicate, because on YouTube we cannot message people, at least on Discord, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people have. It will be easier for me to message people on there. It's more private, so only I would be getting your information for mailing purposes for me to mail out this giveaway. So yeah, so if you get the chance, feel free to join. I have the link below, and yeah, just let me know if the link doesn't work, and I will try to get a new link up. But I do have the Discord up and running. It's still a little bit under construction, but I am opening it up because I think it's about time. I kept talking about it, and it is open now. So I will see you guys on the Discord if you guys join. But yeah, join for the giveaway. But yeah, you don't have to do anything other than if you just want to do the giveaway, just follow the instructions. I will not be offended. I'm doing this giveaway just to make sure you guys actually get something. You know, just sharing my hobby with you guys. And as always, these giveaways are free. You do not have to pay postage. It is on my dime. So it is free to you guys. Yeah, so thanks again, as always. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves, and hope to see you in the next video. Maybe see you in the Discord. Thanks. Bye.